I work in heating and air conditioning, and there are a lot of gas appliances out there that actually use the chimney for the venting. So it's important that those chimneys are inspected so that the appliances draft properly. When you refer someone, you want to make sure that they're going to represent you well. And I have utmost confidence in Chuck. They don't just walk in and go, okay, I'm here to do my job, and they go do it. There's a process where they come in, they speak with the homeowner, they introduce themselves, and they basically say, okay, here's what we're going to do. And that way it takes away any apprehension from the customer. When they walk into the house, they have booties on their shoes. They have drop cloths and things like that. They take care of the customer's homes like they would their own. So that made a big impression with me, and also again with the training of his guys. And that just goes a long way with how they treated the homeowner and performed their jobs.